Safely clean your ears without using cotton swabs or suction. Follow these methods to avoid damaging your eardrum. Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. Today, we're diving into a common but often misunderstood topic, ear cleaning. Many of us have struggled with earwax buildup or earaches, which can be really uncomfortable. But don't worry, we've got you covered with safe, natural methods to clean your ears without risking damage to your eardrum. We'll also talk about the color of earwax and what it can tell you, especially if there's an infection, as well as simple, effective remedies. So, let's get started. Many people turn to cotton swabs for cleaning their ears, but let me ask you this, why are such products even available at pharmacies? It seems irrational. Cotton swabs don't actually remove earwax. Instead, they push it deeper into your ear canal, making it harder to remove. This can create pressure on your eardrum, and in some cases, lead to serious damage like a ruptured eardrum. Earwax is actually there for a reason. It protects your ears by trapping bacteria, viruses, and other foreign particles. If you harm your eardrum, you risk gradual hearing loss. So, what's the solution? A simple, safe way to clean your ears is with oil, but not just any oil. Bitter almond oil is one of the best options. Apply a few drops of bitter almond oil into your ear canal about 2 hours before showering. The warmth of the shower helps loosen the earwax, allowing it to flow out naturally. During your shower, tilt your head to the side and gently clean the outer edge of your ear with a cotton pad or a towel. If you don't have bitter almond oil, don't worry. Sweet almond oil, coconut oil, or olive oil work well too. For the best results, warm the oil slightly by placing the bottle in hot water or near a heater. Warm oil is more effective and helps dissolve the wax faster. Did you know that chewing can naturally help move earwax out of your ear canal? It's true. Regular jaw movements, like chewing, help shift the wax outward, making it easier to clean. Never use sharp objects like keys, matchsticks, or pins to clean your ears. These can seriously injure your ear canal or even puncture your eardrum. One of my colleagues experienced hearing issues due to a significant earwax buildup. Instead of softening the wax with oil first, their doctor opted for immediate suction. The procedure was incredibly painful and caused a ruptured eardrum, leading to weeks of discomfort. This shows why even professional procedures need preparation, like softening the wax and using warm compresses. Now, let's talk about earwax color. If you notice green earwax, it could be a sign of infection. For such cases, try this natural remedy: 1 glass of water, 1 tablespoon of honey, juice from half a fresh lemon, 1 clove of garlic, finely chopped. Mix these ingredients and drink the syrup every 8 hours. For children, give half the dosage. It's a simple, natural way to fight infections and boost recovery. Lastly, let's address something that's becoming more common: hearing loss from excessive use of earbuds and headphones. If you use them often, try to lower the volume and take breaks to protect your hearing. So there you have it, safe, natural ways to clean your ears and maintain ear health. All of our content is grounded in our research and personal experiences. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends and family. Together, we can spread awareness and help everyone stay healthy. Take care, and see you in the next video.